Hello and welcome to Ask Dr. Chris. Today we'll be talking about frequently asked questions regarding a very common condition called hernias. So I've got a list of questions here from my staff as well as patients, and I'll just go through them and then we can talk about the answers. The first question I have is, what is a hernia and how serious are they? A hernia can be as simple as something that doesn't bother you to something that bothers you and can be life-threatening. A hernia essentially is a defect within the natural envelope that surrounds the human body, either the abdomen or the groin, through which vital structures are escaping and they can get stuck. So a small hernia that is painless, that easily changes in size, is considered to be non-bothersome. A larger hernia that is bothering you on a daily basis and is preventing you from living a high quality life, or that is painful, or that is affecting your bowel movement, is considered to be life-threatening and requires immediate attention. Second question, is there any symptoms related to hernias? The most common symptom that we get is a bulge. So if you take a look at what a normal human belly wall looks like, it should be a flat, smooth, in some areas round, but there shouldn't be any organized bulging that changes in size with coughing or bearing down. So bulge is number one most common symptom. In some people, pain, especially with straining or with exercise, can be a fourth sign. Other symptoms including soreness and burning sensation with coughing and bearing down. And rarely but very, very important is difficulties moving bowel, which may indicate that a loop of bowel is stuck inside a hernia, and this required immediate attention. Question number 3, which are the most common types of hernia? The most common type of hernia that we see is the groin hernia. This is also called the inguinal hernia. This is usually located below the groin crease, and it involves a bulge, pain that tends to radiate towards the upper thigh, as well as significant changes to the bowel function. Other types of hernias that we see frequently is hernia defect around the belly button area or around incisions from previous operation. So if you have any of the symptoms that we talked about, or if you have any additional questions about hernias, kindly visit our same-day surgery center. We are always available to help you. Thank you.